So today I have the bamboo fabric jacquard blanket, which is a cooling blanket, which is just what I need because I like to be cozy when I sleep, but I also like to be cool. So this is made with bamboo fabric and 100% bamboo fibers. Okay, so let's see what the box says about it. So it has special cool touch technology to block sweat and absorb heat so that your body stays cool when you sleep. So you actually sleep better when the temperature is a little bit cooler. So that's good. So you can gently wash this up to 30 degrees Celsius. You should not bleach it or dry clean it. You can hang it in the shade to dry, but don't iron it or tumble dry it. So just hang it up to dry. So let's open it and see how comfy it is. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open it. Okay, first of all, I'm loving this color. It's like a gentle gray color, which is really calming and relaxing. So let me go ahead and open it. So the size of this is, let's see here, 79 by 86 inches. So that's pretty big. So that's going to fit my bed. It also comes in 59 by 79 inches. Okay, so wow, I can automatically sense that this is actually, it actually feels cool to the touch. It's about 75 degrees right now, but yeah, it's not super heavy. So it's lightweight. So as you can see, it's not super heavy, but not super light either. It's nice, comfortable weight. This is how it looks from the side. Let's see up close. There's the little diamond pattern on it on either side. Looks very pretty. So I'm gonna put it on the bed and show you how that looks. But yeah, definitely so far I'm loving it. It feels really comfortable. I could take a nice nap with this. So I'm gonna put it on the bed and show you how it looks. So this is a king size bed and it fit all the way across. It's not really hanging down off of the sides, but it is long enough to reach to the top. So yes, it's super comfortable. It's keeping me nice and cool. It's light, but also just gives me enough coverage so that I feel comfortable and secure and safe, but definitely gonna have some comfortable nights this summer thanks to this bamboo fabric cooling blanket.